Vinyl mesh shirts have become increasingly popular among crafters, small business owners, and hobbyists. These machines allow users to create personalized, professional quality designs on fabric quickly and efficiently. With the growing interest in DIY apparel, the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press machine is a standout option for both beginners and experienced users. This fully automatic heat press offers precise temperature and pressure control, ensuring even heat distribution across your t-shirts for consistent vinyl adhesion. Its auto-open function reduces manual handling, which is perfect for avoiding burns or mishaps during extended use. With a 15x15 platen, this machine is versatile enough for t-shirts, hoodies, and tote bags. Its digital display allows for accurate temperature and timing settings, essential for professional results. Users appreciate its sturdy construction and reliable heating element, which maintains consistent performance even after repeated use. The HTVRONT machine's user-friendly design makes it ideal for small businesses or home crafting. It supports a variety of heat transfer materials, including vinyl, sublimation paper. The OIIEE 5-in-1 heat press machine is an all-in-one solution for creative t-shirt printing. It includes attachments for mugs, hats, plates, and other items, making it perfect for diverse crafting projects. The 15x15 t-shirt platen ensures large designs are transferred accurately without shifting or bubbling. Its digital temperature and timer controls allow for precise settings, ensuring that vinyl, sublimation, and other materials adhere properly. The swing-away design gives ample space and prevents accidental contact with the heating element. Built from heavy-duty materials, this machine promises longevity and consistent performance, even with frequent use. Ideal for home crafters or small businesses, the OIIEE Combo Heat Press supports multiple applications beyond clothing. Users particularly praise its versatility, ease of setup, and consistent heat distribution. Overall, the OIIEE 5-in-1 Heat Press combines functionality, safety. The TOPDEEP 5-in-1 heat press machine offers impressive versatility with interchangeable attachments for t-shirts, mugs, hats, and plates. Its digital interface provides precise control over temperature and pressure, allowing for professional quality transfers on a wide variety of materials. With a 15x15 plate flat platen, large t-shirt designs are transferred evenly, while the swing-away mechanism ensures safe handling. Its sturdy construction and high-quality heating element maintain consistent performance even under heavy use. Users commend the TOPDEEP machine for its durability and multifunctional capabilities, which make it suitable for both hobbyists and small businesses. The included attachments are easy to install and remove, streamlining the production process for multiple projects. Whether producing custom t-shirts for events, gifts, or retail, the TOPDEEP 5-in-1 heat press delivers efficiency, safety, and consistent results. This machine offers an excellent balance. The RoyalPress 15x15 industrial heat press is designed for serious crafters and small business owners seeking durability and precision. Its industrial-grade construction supports heavy use, while the 15x15 platen accommodates a wide range of t-shirt sizes. The color LED display allows for easy monitoring and control of temperature and timing. This machine excels in delivering consistent heat distribution, which is crucial for achieving perfect vinyl adhesion. Its swing-away design ensures safety, preventing accidental contact with the hot surface. Users praise the RoyalPress for its robust build, fast heat-up times, and reliable performance under continuous use. Although slightly heavier than consumer-grade machines, its sturdy construction makes it a long-lasting investment for frequent use. Perfect for t-shirts. The WHUBEFY 5-in-1 heat press is a versatile option for crafters looking to expand their project capabilities. With attachments for t-shirts, hats, mugs, and plates, this machine covers a wide array of creative applications. Its 15x12-inch t-shirt platen is ideal for medium-sized designs, ensuring even heat and pressure distribution. The digital control panel provides precise temperature and time settings, essential for professional vinyl adhesion. Users appreciate the compact design, which fits easily on most workstations without sacrificing functionality. The machine's safety features, such as automatic shutoff and swing-away design, make it user-friendly and secure. Durable and efficient, the WHUBEFY heat press delivers consistent results.